So Haylou have came a long way since we've reviewed the very first GT1, and we're seeing many different earbuds and innovation being launched by them.
We spent our days on the coast of something beautiful. We got pulled into the tide of something real. Somehow I lost you on the way. I assumed you left me behind. Lifeless days and sleepless nights, so tired of it. I can't get you off my mind, can't forget it. Now I know what I've got to do is find my way back to you. Hey, why did it take us so long? Hey,
Today we're going back to basics and we're going to take a look at a budget earbuds option from Haylou to see if they're any good. Welcome to a review of the Haylou GT3. Hello, my name is Sean and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I do a lot of tech reviews as well as unboxing, and if that is something that interests you, do consider subscribing to this channel, leave a thumbs up on this video as well as share this video to all your friends around. With that said, let's get on with a review of the Haylou GT3. So today's earbuds are graciously sent over to me by Haylou for review, and although they have sent me these earbuds, I'll still be sharing with you my honest opinions. And Haylou have also gave me one extra pair of the GT3, so if you want to win this pair in a giveaway, do check out the links in the description below. So these earbuds retails for about US 20, and that's about 80 Malaysian ringgit, and fall very nicely in the realm of budget-friendly earbuds. Very suited for those just starting out with their first TWS earbuds. So if you're interested in getting these earbuds, do check out my links below. So when I first looked at these earbuds, the first thing that hit me is that these earbuds are very similarly shaped as the QCY T10 and T11. Although the design of the Haylou and QCY is quite different, these earbuds are priced very similarly and are direct competitors to one another. Going back to basics, the Haylou GT3 is designed like the GT1 that we've looked at a while ago, meaning it's made of thin plastic mostly, that is there to do its job as a case and doesn't give you any more premium feeling. The case overall is made of a matte black plastic case with a nice glossy Haylou branding at the top, and the overall weight of the case does feel very light. The back of the case, you get a Type-C charging port. When you plug it in, the 3 LEDs in front will tell you the battery percentage of the case. The flat surface at the bottom doesn't have any wording or branding, but probably because of the price, there's no wireless charging found in these earbuds. The lid is using a simple plastic hinge that holds itself up at the end of the stroke using a simple friction, but it does a good job holding the lid open for you to access your earbuds. And inside you see the earbuds sitting in a lay flat position. The earbuds themselves have a long stem where Haylou calls it the swan neck handle, and most of the earbuds is made out of a matte black finish, but a gloss black strip in the center which also hides the LED indicator. Fortunately, all LED action goes away once the earbud connects to your phone. The tip of the earbuds are designed very similarly to the AirPods Pro, meaning you're going to get very nice fitting from these earbuds. But I do notice that the smooth black plastic does get slippery after using them for a while. In 2021, the GT3's battery is considered to be pretty low and comes with a pretty small 4 hours of playback time at a moderate volume. Note that this is if you play your media at about 50% volume, so the louder you go, the battery life will suffer even more. They also don't come with quick charging feature and takes about 2 hours to fully charge the earbuds and 2.5 hours to fully charge the case. However, if you compare this to the QCY T10 or T11, the Haylou surprisingly has slightly better battery performance compared to the QCY. If you notice, there are actually two models of the Haylou GT3, the regular GT3 and the GT3 Pro. The main difference between the two is the drivers that they come in, and everything else being the same. They both come with Realtek's Bluetooth 5.0 chipset, which supports only the SBC codec, not even AAC, and this is quite apparent especially when it comes to sound quality. Both the GT3 and the Pro also comes with IPX4 water resistant rating, so you should be protected from sweat and water splashes. Definitely don't bring these earbuds swimming. The GT3 comes with independent playback for both the left and right earbuds, and you can pick out either side of the earbuds and they'll connect without problems. When you take out the other side, it does take about 2 seconds or so to reconnect, but for budget earbuds, they're pretty standard. Also from my testing, the Haylou GT3 doesn't connect to the Haylou app for additional controls since these are truly their budget range of earbuds. Lastly, these earbuds don't come with multi-point support. Sound signature is a pleasant surprise, but it really depends on the media source that you listen to. For my test, these earbuds do a decently good job with all the notes, and this come with pretty good dynamic range. Based on these earbuds are okay, not crazy deep and strong. For some of my test songs, they don't give me the goosebumps that some earbuds actually do. Clarity on these is very subjective to song quality, and perhaps because of that SBC audio codec support, songs with higher compression rates sounds very muddy, and you can hear that it doesn't do well with those. Switching to Tidal and using some high quality master tracks, they sound surprisingly good and very enjoyable. And you can distinctly hear the separation and depth of music instruments, definitely a very unique experience. So these earbuds also do a good job with giving you a slight spatial feel, and you can hear an array of instruments floating around you, which is really nice.
So this is a test to see if the Haylou GT3 is a good earbuds for making phone calls. So this is me speaking in a relatively quiet environment, and this is the call quality that you can expect. So what I'm going to do now is to turn on a simulated background noise so you can hear the difference. So now there's a simulated background noise playing in the background, and this is the call quality that you can expect from these earbuds. So what do you think of the call quality? Let me know in the comment section down below.
With Bluetooth 5.0, there is no issue with latency when watching videos on YouTube or Netflix. Gaming on these earbuds still feels like your typical 5.0 earbuds, nothing special, and you can still feel a bit of delay when it comes to games like PUBG. Anyways, let's take a look at the latency performance of these earbuds. So apart from volume controls, the GT3 gives you most of the media controls that you need. So to play or pause media, tap once on either side of the earbuds and it will play or pause your media. So to skip tracks forward, tap twice on your right earbuds and it will skip your tracks forward, and to skip backwards, tap twice on the left earbuds. So to call your assistant, tap 3 times on either side of the earbuds, and it should pull out your assistant, but to be honest, this is not the most sensitive touch controls in the world for me, and most of the time it's hit or miss for me, which kind of kills the fun of using this earphone. So that's basically all the controls you get with the GT3. So all in all, I think this is an okay version for a budget Haylou earbuds, but I do think that at this price point, to stand out, you really need to do something extra unique. For me, these are very generic and don't scream innovation. For my money, I'll honestly go with the QCY T10 or T11 range, since they all at least have app support. So that is it for this review. If you find this video helpful, smash that thumbs up button, share this video everywhere, and if you haven't yet subscribed, do consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.